My name is Woos.
That the ring.
My name is Woos. If the thief your go to, who you go call? Officer Woos. Tell us boy your coat, who you go call? Officer Woos. If the
Grandma.
thief your baby, who you go call?
Hello, Grandma. How are you now? Hey, see your voice, so this is why you call me like this. Sure, na money matter. Na billing. Bill Clinton. You not gonna let me call you first before you go say na billing. How much you will get, Seth? I beg you. Now your younger brother, what's in Gram? He don't come up for village for years since midnight. Say they call your place for Lagos. He call me just now say he don't reach Lagos Park. I beg help me go the park when you carry her. Then you take care of him. That talk say na money matter. You see. I not say the pikin for you. I said take care of her. Give her food, make it shop. You know, maybe I dey Lagos, I dey chop. You know the shop. Anything where you know say they make you they live life, they wake up. Give her that thing, make you they live, they wake up. Take care of her, mo. I know say you get coconut. I know this wahala.
I was half an hour.
Small stout.
Wait, now here you follow come.
Where they follow normally?
It's not like this you go follow come.
Why?
But this is where your eyes red. You sure say you sleep well. Because you just look like somebody say you tired. You sure say no go back house go sleep.
No, Small stout. I know you well. Oh, this thing. No, wala. See, before we start today's work, how much you don't make?
Which kind yeah talk with that now? Which one be how much I don't make? You never even reach 2 minutes so I come here. Which one be how much I don't make?
You never reach 2 minutes where you come. Why you come here? You dey sweat. Small stout.
No be waka.
You don't start to dey cheat. Bring that out.
I never make any money. I just dey come.
You never make any money.
I never make any money.
Lala, I did the since the way for you. All I have me the pass here. Don't say they collect that one. Maybe I got it them now they look you.
Who be this short devil? I don't make any money. If you talk past I go slap you.
If you slap me, I'll slap you because I'll too get the same hand.
KIRIKU. I don't miss you. Oh yeah, bring out all the money. You still alive?
Yeah.
Nah, my younger brother be this now. Nah, small pikin cashew.
Come. Be this.
KIRIKU. How far now? How you take know my office?
Yeah, na office. Bush. Okay, where your chair at your table?
You the craze. Now why then they quick beat you? So, how your journey?
Different.
How grandma?
Different.
You just say you dey okay.
Now they okay now go.
Nah, wetin do hunger?
I don't hungry. Allow me to cut out the time and the call.
You no drink water, why you dey come? Why? Take. Go from there. One woman dey there buy food for me and you.
Woos now give her money make you help me buy too now. Make you help me buy, but this your brother. I not too trust him. If you no go put poison for my food.
Poison freaking. You too small for poison turkey. Only yourself na poison.
Just use buy food for her.
Short devil.
Me devil. Be short devil. You sure to be devil.
This boy, he is too stubborn. KIRIKU.
My name is Woos. If the thief your go to, who you go call?
Woos.
Woos.
They hear you.
Wait me they hear me. See, if I talk say your brother, na short devil. You go to say I don't know what I talk. 2 hours when they don't send that phone, 2 good hours. He never still come.
See, hunger they catch us the same way. Calm
You know they
down.
catch you. When they take catch me, don't be say they catch you.
If you say they never cook finish.
2 hours.
Now money we still there now. Calm down. Small stout. Small stout. See, car they come. Hey! No. Stop your motor. Stop your motor. Park this motor. Park. Oh yeah. What happened? You the crazy.
Which kind of embarrassment be all this one now?
You
just jump out my boy, you want to scatter my glass?
I go shoot you. The mad. You be because you put girl for yourself.
And nobody go see you.
You talk to officer of law. You mad? You want? No, make I best so.
Officer, it's not like that. It's just that some policemen harassed us back there. And when we give you guys money, we'll still see more down there. What's all this?
Find them. You don't walk out with your boy. They don't teach you how to lie.
Officer, I'm not lying.
We give some of our colleagues on the back checkpoints now.
We give them money.
If I go and I find out say that lie, no colleague there. I go find you.
We go get the number of this motor.
Stop hitting my car. See, from the eye of the girl, if you look at face, na fine girl, but that one no differ. See, but from her eye, if you look at eye, you go see some elements of truth there for what she dey talk. But this one, I not to trust, but that girl, small truth go there.
See, write their plate number down.
I go write her down.
May we go to which police dey for this place?
No, don't go.
Small out. For this territory. Are you alright? Where's the motor of this car?
Where's the motor of this receive? You don't need to take for go station now. No, what do you see for this car?
The motor of this car, you no get.
How much you take now? Give us money.
Yeah, it's small go station.
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
What's the name of your station?
Feature station. Yes.
Feature station.
You don't say you buy this car.
If you don't say no one follow us go. Roger.
Follow go.
I go
Yes,
wait.
Come on.
Must out.
Eh?
No be my brother Kiriku be that.
Nine now. Nine, you see, you see.
Na Kiriku dey.
Nine now, see am now.
Nine go Mount Road block.
Hold on, Jai, you these small boys.
Wait, the call of small boys. Me may be officer Kiriku.
Me.
Wait, hold on. I know what you want. Just relax.
Oya Oja.
I know what you want.
Oja.
Corruption.
Oja. You know before you
see money, see car.
Take.
Wetin be this?
What be this?
Who dey give this
Okay, you
one?
want me to take 500?
With this kind of motor wey you buy?
Okay, not here now.
Just collect.
Okay, you're not 200 to the side. You're not 200 because nobody put you for this one.
You put me for job.
I can't see this thing.
If you see now your brother, I no consign me.
I see now you.
500 we go share am.
Give me 100, 200.
Why you go give me 200?
I'll give you 200.
What's happen? 500 now.
Kiriku. Wetin be all this one? Wetin dey go on?
You know, they do our work. We dey do our work.
If I tell you say your brother na devil, go teach her the lie. You see her now?
Calm down. Who be this one?
My boy.
What?
Your boy. You guy boy. Why you see clothes?
I go restaurant.
With which money?
The money we say my old buy food.
Wait. You dey try calm down, abi?
Kiriku. No say you be my younger brother. They show you. I go call grandma say your pikin he dey on your own. No come my house. Just give me the 1,000 naira. Where I give you.
I bet you.